Hi, welcome to the another video from my stats on market. So in this video, let's check what happened for me in this week in my trades. So in this week, I traded in four expiries. One is mid cap Nifty, that is new to me. I traded first time in mid cap Nifty this week. Another one is Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty and Census. So let's start with the mid cap Nifty expiry that happened on 21 August Monday. So things about mid-cap Nifty is mid-cap Nifty is a low volatile instrument. It doesn't move volatile. There is no huge sudden spikes. There is no volatility in that index. It's a very calm index, I can say. So in that index, one another thing is liquidity is very good. Hedge cost is very low. Margin required to short options is very low. I think 35,000 rupees is required to short one lot options in mid-cap Nifty. So that is very good so that we can trade in huge quantities. So that day you can see market moves open gap up and it moves further higher. So I shorted put that went well around 1:30 p.m. My trailing stop loss was triggered at that put that gives me nice profit. So again at the time I shorted 8,650 call option based on open interest and that trade also went well. Actually at the end of the market as you can see that also went to zero. 8650 call option also went to zero. So that day I earned around 60,000 rupees because I traded in huge quantities. I traded around 3,000 quantities on that day. So next day is an Fin Nifty expiry. So Fin Nifty expiry is the very toughest expiry for me recent days. So in that day my mindset was not good. So I took wrong trades on that day at initial loss itself. So usually I'll trade 1 hour later only. I observe market for first hour and I took trades after 1 hour. But I started taking trades at the initial minutes of the market itself. I mean at 9:20, 9:25 itself I started took trades and all the trades went wrong. My trailing stop loss was triggered here and there. So I passed that day. Actually, around 11 a.m. I passed my trading, and I resumed my trades only at 2 p.m. So after that 2 p.m. my mind was clear and I am able to trade nicely. At 2 p.m. what I did is I shorted 19,600 calls. I hope yes 19,600 calls, and that went to zero, and that also based on open interest actually, and that trade pays me well, and it able to wipe my previous loss also. So I ended that day with a profit of 12,000 rupees. So that's what happened in Finifty expiry. So next day is an Wednesday. So that day I traded in Bank Nifty. So I can say this day is a very calm day for me because I took only one trade and that trade went very well. Till end of the day that trade went through actually. And I'm able to milk almost all the premium from that option. I think I started 44,000 put 44,000 put option I started at the 10:30 time I think yeah at 10:30 I started 44,000 puts and I sit in profit nice profit at the end of the marketers and I just squared it off. So that single trade gave me 40,000 rupees profit. So that's a very nice thing. So Thursday is in a Bank Nifty expiry. So in Bank Nifty expiry also, I can say there is no much volatility. I can't say much volatility because there is no volatility, but the direction is always one-sided. You can see from the second hour, it always moves down further. So in this day also I traded at 10:30, 10:20 something like that, sometime like that. So in this day actually I shorted 44,500 calls. That trade went very well. So one other thing I did in this day is around 1:30 or 2 p.m. at the time I started accumulating 44,500 puts because I expected market to broke further. Yeah, at 2 p.m. I expected market to broke further, and so I started buying 44,500 put option at low premiums. I can say the premium was around 10 to 12 rupees. So I started accumulating those puts in huge quantities. That pays me well. So I bought that 44,500 put option around three times I think. Yeah, 900 quantities, three times. So I bought around 3,000 quantities in Bank Nifty, around 10 to 12. So after I bought, market broke down further. So the premium of that 44,500 puts spiked, and that premium rise to 40 to 45 rupees. So I squared that options at 44 rupees, 44 to 45 rupees. So that gave me very nice profit on the day. So that gives me a profit around 1 lakh rupees in Bank Nifty expiry. So today is an census expiry. So today actually market opened a gap down, and the market opened gap down, and it's keep on falling further. So that's a bad thing actually for our market. Market fell so much today. So one another thing I noticed is I'm not familiar with the sensors. So I compared sensors with the Nifty 50. So I noticed in Nifty 50, 19300 levels was broken. So there is a huge support for Nifty 50 around 19300 levels. So I expect market to pull back to 19300 levels. So I didn't trade for first 2 hours. After that, I'm seeing market started to recover. So in this candle, you can see market start to recover. So at the time, I shorted 65,000 puts. I can correlate Sensex 65,000 strike price with Nifty 50 19300 strike price. So I shorted that strikes because actually while I'm starting 65,000 puts is in the money, but I dare to short that because I expect market to recover 19300 levels in Nifty 50. So I shorted that. So that pays me well. You can see in two candles, you can see market moved higher. So around 12:30 to from 12:30, market starts to consolidate at 65,000 levels for almost 1.5 hours to 2 hours, I can say. Market never moved higher, never moved lower. So at that time, I squared off my short position input and I waited market to react in any one direction. So after some time, market starts to broke down and market fell further. So at this time, I again shorted 65,000 calls. So that also went well for me. So 65,000 calls went to zero at the end. Um, so again in this day, I gain around 1 lakh rupees. So this what happened in this week. So I will quickly go through from the Sensible report. I can share this link in the video. So this is Monday, mid cap Nifty, and around 60,000 rupees. On Tuesday, very hectic day. It's in Fin Nifty, and around 12,000. And Wednesday actually a very cool day, calm day. I earned around 40,000 rupees in Bank Nifty. And Thursday, I can say it's an lucky day for me because I bought puts at a low premium and I squared it up high premiums. So I earned around 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 30,000 rupees. So again in census, I earned 1 lakh plus rupees. So this is what happened in this week. So let's check what going to happen in next week. So next week is a monthly expiry. Usually monthly expiry is in a very volatile one. So we're supposed to be very cautious in trades. So let's check. So in next week, I can share my monthly profit and loss report also. So that's it from my side.